Panama City Beach, Florida is a vibrant coastal destination that offers an exciting blend of natural beauty, outdoor adventure, and family-friendly attractions. Known for its stunning white sandy beaches and emerald green waters, it provides the perfect setting for relaxation and fun in the sun. Visitors can explore an array of activities, including thrilling rides like the SkyWheel at Pier Park, deep-sea fishing, snorkeling excursions to Shell Island, and exhilarating jet boat rides. So, here is the list of 13 best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida. Before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and comment your thought. Here we go. Number 1. St. Andrews State Park. St. Andrews State Park is one of the best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida, offering a perfect blend of pristine white sandy beaches, lush nature trails, and abundant wildlife. Stretching over 1,200 acres, the park features more than 1.5 miles of beautiful beaches, ideal for swimming, snorkeling, surfing, and sunbathing. Number 2. Russell Fields Pier. Russell Fields Pier is one of the best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida, extending 1,500 feet into the Gulf of Mexico. It offers stunning views of the emerald waters and white sandy beaches. Visitors enjoy leisurely walks, spectacular sunsets, and excellent fishing opportunities for species like cobia, king mackerel, and redfish. Number 3. Pirates Island Adventure Golf. Pirates Island Adventure Golf in Panama City Beach is a top family-friendly attraction offering a unique adventure golf experience for all ages. Set atop the Gulf Coast's tallest pirate mountain, it features 2 challenging 18-hole courses with beautifully landscaped surroundings including streams, waterfalls, and pirate-themed caves. Number 4. Panhandle Helicopter. Panhandle Helicopter offers one of the best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida, providing breathtaking aerial tours over the stunning Emerald Coast. Operating since 2008, this veteran-owned company prides itself on safety, top-notch pilot expertise, and unforgettable views of the world's most beautiful beaches. Number 5. Conservation Park. Conservation Park in Panama City Beach is a must-visit for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Spanning over 2,900 acres, the park features more than 24 miles of trails and over 1 mile of boardwalks that lead visitors through beautiful wetlands and cypress domes. It offers hiking, biking, and incredible wildlife viewing opportunities, including bird watching and spotting native animals like turtles and alligators. Number 6. Zoo World. Zoo World in Panama City Beach is a standout attraction known for its unique, hands-on animal encounters. Visitors can feed giraffes, cuddle sloths, meet lemurs, and even hand-feed alligators in the expansive Alapata Swamp exhibit. The zoo is compact but packed with diverse exotic animals like tigers, tropical birds, and kangaroos, making it perfect for families and animal lovers. Number 7. Shipwreck Island. Shipwreck Island Water Park is one of the best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida, offering a thrilling and family-friendly aquatic adventure spread across 15 tropical-themed acres. Highlights include the Great Shipwreck, a 65-foot slide drop, the Ocean Motion Wave Pool with 3-foot waves, and the White Knuckle River for inner tube rides through rapids. Number 8. Man in the Sea Museum. The Man in the Sea Museum in Panama City Beach, Florida, is a unique and fascinating destination dedicated to preserving the history of diving and underwater exploration. It is recognized as the world's oldest diving museum and offers visitors a deep dive into the evolution of underwater technology. The museum features exhibits such as the Sea Lab 1 underwater habitat, where divers lived and worked, early diving equipment, including vintage helmets and suits, military diving artifacts, and interactive displays. Number 9. Dupin Winery. Dupin Winery in Panama City Beach, Florida is a must-visit for wine lovers and those seeking a unique and relaxing experience. Located at 10,101 Panama City Beach Parkway, this expansive 38,000-square-foot winery showcases Southern charm with beautifully designed tasting bars and a welcoming lakefront pavilion. Visitors can enjoy tastings of Duplin's acclaimed sweet wines, including exclusive varieties like the Sunshine State of Wine. Number 10. Besant Amphitheater. Besant Amphitheater, located within the beautifully manicured 70-acre Besant Park in Panama City Beach, Florida, is one of the top attractions and best things to do in the area. This state-of-the-art outdoor amphitheater has a seating capacity of about 10,000 and serves as the centerpiece for many of the city's most popular events and festivals. Number 11. Coconut Creek Family Fun Park. Coconut Creek Family Fun Park is one of the best things to do in Panama City Beach, Florida, offering an engaging outdoor entertainment experience for all ages. The park features 3 18-hole mini-golf courses, 2 tropical-themed and 1 sea-themed, each designed with unique obstacles such as waterfalls, caves, animals, and bridges, making the games both fun and challenging. Number 12. Shell Island Dolphin Tours. Shell Island Dolphin Tours in Panama City Beach, Florida, offer one of the best and most memorable experiences for visitors seeking an up-close encounter with wildlife in their natural habitat. These tours take guests on a thrilling journey aboard small, fast boats designed specifically for dolphin watching and snorkeling adventures. During the tour, participants can swim with wild bottlenose dolphins, explore the pristine waters around Shell Island, and snorkel in beautifully clear areas teeming with marine life such as sea turtles, stingrays, starfish, and sand dollars. Number 13. Ripleys Believe It or Not. Ripleys Believe It or Not in Panama City Beach, Florida, stands out as one of the top things to do for visitors seeking a fascinating and quirky indoor experience. Located at 9907 Front Beach Road, this attraction is perfect for families, curious travelers, and those looking to escape the sun for a bit while immersing themselves in a world of oddities. Spanning 3 floors, the auditorium showcases over 500 unusual artifacts gathered by Robert Ripley during his travels to more than 200 countries over 95 years.